I love your work because it is real.
Being able to experience the story, the narratives, it is very powerful.
It felt like I was observing a real conversation.
My virtual door is always open. I'm here if you want to talk.
I wanted to ask you about the Morgenstern case. I suppose I was surprised to hear that I wasn't being put on there, and that Mark was.
Mark is just a better fit for this client, you know what I mean. Keep joining the virtual happy hours and you will stay front of mind, yeah?
Sure, okay.
What would you say if you were in Harrison's shoes to begin to reassure her, Jessica?
I'll probably just be transparent.
I would ask her how she would want to use the time.
You have to empower your staff.
I'm just going to pause on this drama right now and put you into breakout groups again.
You've got to learn how to use the technology to create more interaction, and I think you did it brilliantly.